Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change name on Facebook. So if you want to change your name on Facebook, here is a simple guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Facebook. Once you open your Facebook, tap on this 3-line icon at the right top corner, at the right down corner of the screen. Tap on it, then tap on gear button. Then you tap on this option which is see more in account center. Tap on it. Alright, good. Then you tap on your profile icon. Then you tap on the particular account, because you can add more than 1 or 2 accounts on a particular Facebook app. So if there's a particular account you want to change, just tap on the account, which is this particular one I'm tapping on. Then you tap on name. Then right here you can now configure the names from whatever you want to whatever, from what it is to whatever you want. And here is a keynote: once you change your name, you won't be able to change it back to whatever you wanted to change it to again for the next 60 days, which is approximately 2 months. So if you change your name, think twice before you change your name, because if you change it, you won't be able to change it back again in the next 2 months. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and subscribe for more. Thank you.